Hello YouTubers, CC and Niles Forever here. I haven't made an iPhone video in a while because I hadn't changed my phone, but I've changed it significantly since then, and I think it looks a lot better. You let me know what you think, but that's my opinion. So anyways, I will get into what I've done. First off, my slider, it's still like the Nanny text. The difference is it doesn't have the white background that it had before. I think it looks a lot more professional, a lot more sleek that way without the white. And I just changed the custom text to CC and Niles Forever because it fit better there. And the text I have at the top, I just have Biggie at the top. And my clock is no longer sporting like the typo clock and the other typo clock builder and the Winterboard theme. I'm using one program now called Springtomize to change the color of the clock. The font is still changed with Bitafont. The status bar, I got a few things added to the top of the status bar. I really like the star signal bars. I just think they're cute and kind of give it like a unique, just cute. And I like the weather at the top as well, right here. It's just the temp and the little weather icon. And the way I changed the order of how things are arranged in my status bar is a little jailbreak tweak called It's actually called StatusTweak, and it just tweaks the status bar. I can change the order of everything that's up there, and so that's pretty much it for my lock screen. So we'll open up, and this is actually an Android lock theme that I made with all the Nanny characters except for Yetta because there's only 9 slots. But I don't care if you see my little pattern. It's a little laggy, so YouTuber's gonna have to catch up to my phone, but alright. So the theme that I'm actually using is a Dreamboard theme right now. It's called the Grid. It's funny, it's actually a Tron theme. And some of the wallpaper backgrounds are actually Tron backgrounds. I'll just show you here. These are the Tron backgrounds. I just thought that was hilarious. And the miscellaneous folder is where I put a few of the Nanny ones that I made. Or, no, I didn't make. I inputted them. So you have like the little cartoon, Lauren Lane cartoon. And the lock screen background. The Nanny cast. And then just CC and Niles. I use the CC and Niles one pretty much all the time because I just think it looks better with this theme, and I'm a CC and Niles fanatic, not to mention, so yeah. Alright. In terms of applications, I really like how this theme organizes the applications with the folders at the top. Like I keep my games in the little games folder, and like all my little Cydia applications, like my little jailbreak apps like Dreamboard and Winterboard in the Cydia folder, and tools, just like things that I use like my bank and things like, and the maps and just things that I use a lot. I absolutely just love the way this theme looks in terms of organization, and just in terms of cosmetically, it's just my favorite Dreamboard theme by far. All the applications are kept. Every application is in the apps folder, as you can see. And another thing I love about this theme is how the animated weather is only at the bottom of the screen. I think with the animated weather, like on the whole phone, I just think it's too much. Having it at the bottom, it just looks amazing, and having the separate background, I just think it's great. You can actually change the color somewhat of like this little banner at the top, this banner, and this background changes too. I'm not going to show you all the backgrounds, but there are so many backgrounds that this comes with. I actually inputted this New York City background myself because it didn't actually come with this one, but I really think I love it so much. I like the skyline. I think it's really pretty and everything. The CC and Niles Forever in the banner itself, I actually had to kind of do some work to get it like that because the text is not customizable. It's actually an image, and it actually says the grid. because that's the name of the theme. But I actually input my own image of CC Analysis Forever into the theme itself, and I had to do it a few times to get it the right size, but I was able to do it, so I'm really happy about that. Another thing that's new is on my other previous video I had Lockinfo. I still have Lockinfo. It's just no longer on my lock screen. I have this thing in Lockinfo. It's called Info Shade, and I'll do it from the lock screen just to show you that you are able to do it from the lock screen. What I do is I just swipe down on my phone, and here is the plugins that I have. I have the calendar. It's actually called the clock plugin. The next plugin is the weather plugin. I have mail plugin, Twitter. I'll collapse that. And I have SMS, missed calls, voicemail, to do, and notifications. So I really like how I have a little custom. And then I can either swipe down on my screen to get rid of it, or hit the home button twice. Those are the two settings that I have. Oh, I actually have the shake and bake setting too. So I think, hold on. There's one other thing. It's not, a couple other things. Not huge, but my settings menu, I just changed the color of it just to make it cute and just liven it up a little, because settings menu is so boring on the iPhone, and I just put a background in. But I actually have like a UI theme going on. It's a purple UI theme, and you can see it when I open something like my text messages. So I'll do that real quick to show you. It's not a big deal, but it's okay. My one complaint about this theme, which I'm gonna do now because it's being annoying, is it's not very touch sensitive, especially the little areas like here. You have to hit them just right. That's the only complaint I have about this theme. But other than that, I just think it's cosmetically wonderful. It's organizationally, it's really useful. I just love it so much. But the purple UI, you can see like where the arrows are purple. This is color keyboard. I just changed it purple to match, but I still have the background and everything. And like just when you push something, like you see when you push that, it's purple. And the little button, that's pretty much what the purple UI theme does. It's not that big of a deal, but oh, I don't think I ever mentioned my dialer either. On this one, what it is now, it's custom. Let me open it up. This is my dialer right now. But yeah, I think that's everything. So if you have any questions, comments, or anything like that, just leave them. Or send me a private message. I don't really care. And the only other thing I did want to show you is my new case that I got, because I like it a lot. So I will film that really fast. It is a British flag rhinestone case. I think it's really cute. I like it a lot. The only complaint I have about the case itself is the rhinestones of the British flag that are supposed to be red are actually pink when you really look at it, which I like the color pink, but it is the British flag, so I think it should be red. But other than that, I really like the case a lot. I'm going to probably rock it for a while. One other thing I did get was a mirror screen protector. It's really, you can really see it on here, so I'll just like reflect my computer because I think it's cool. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is CC Analysis Forever. Thanks for watching, and please rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys later.